so first off, if you are just watching this and you haven't watched part 1, then watch part 1, because you'll have no idea what's happening. Okay, moving on. So we left off where we put the clip art, changed the background, and we added this weird text. Next, let's add a cool thing to get people hooked, a page center. That's what I used. I used that splat on the home page. Vanilla spice. There we go. Let's continue. Haven't really used these yet. Not really much. I'm just going to show you how to add a note. Notes are pretty easy. They have a bunch of things. Talk balloon, speech bubbles, clouds, notes. Pretty cool. Next we're going to add a navigation bar. This is the part I had problems with. So you do menus, and then you have a bunch of these navigation bars. You have ones with pictures, ones without pictures, ones with cool fonts. And here it is. Pretty sure it's cascading down, so I'll just leave it right here in case it's not. So here's page 0. You don't want that called page 0. You want that called home page. So over here, this is called the page manager. Go to manage, and right here, since it's Flash, a lot of things you can do here. You can drag and drop. There are a bunch of things. One thing is that you can just click here and you can rename the page. So let's name that home page. And then click the X, and then here it is as home page. You can also change colors. You can have icons. Go to manage list, place icon. You can look at a bunch of stuff. So it's pretty cool. I'm just going to add one more page to show you, and it'll automatically add itself to the navigation. Well, adding pages really isn't smart. What I usually do is most websites, they have one main little, they really have one main background and whatnot. So you go to manage, and then you hit duplicate, and it makes homepage copy 1 there. It actually does go this way. It's pretty cool. We're gonna rename that. We're gonna rename that links and close. Now let's rename links. Since this goes over there, let's move it up here. Usually in the homepage, I like to put it in the middle so people know. And now, if we go to links, here's links. Links is over here. Wild ideas. Title's still there. Everything's still there. Want to move this over here. Delete this because we don't need it anymore. And you don't really want that many colors on this page. So how about we change this from links to feedback? Links and feedback. This, I don't know, wild ideas, light bulb. And now, let's add a widget, a contact form. Sometimes does take a little while. There we go. Where is it? Sorry, guys. There we go. So here are a bunch of contact forms. They have smooth, they have colorful, black, do-it-yourself, basic. I like the smooth one the best. And here it is. Let's make it a little bigger so that people can actually read what they're writing. Put it right in the middle. Or, you know what, let's move it off to the side a little. Another thing, just like PowerPoint and all those other, you can, here, move forward. You can move this forward, you can move this back, and now the light bulb is in front. It looks nice. This doesn't stay here, it just shows you what would happen if they click it. If they click send. And now let's just add a title for this page. Title. And if I were really making a website, I would tell them what to write. or not what to write, but on mine I have in the subject type, in the subject type links if you want me to add some links, type message if you want to send me your own message, all that stuff. So there you go. You have your 2 pages. Let's add a YouTube video to the home page just so that you get the idea. You go to media, videos, and then it allows you to search YouTube from there. 5minute.com. You can only search them. You can't embed them. Well, you can embed them, but embed code. You can embed media from YouTube exactly. I usually just search my videos. I search my Apple one and one more. And let's embed the Voyager review. See, here are all my videos. Log me in, IMAP with Gmail. Let's embed the review of the Voyager in titanium. Then here it is. What I like a lot is that this isn't the YouTube interface. There's not, the play and the replay. You don't have come up with those, videos, the related videos, which sometimes can be like, I was watching a video by CBG Films, and the related videos that came up were about quesadillas. Not related at all. So, there it is. And then, I'd add a title in my description on the side, but, yeah. When you're done, you click Publish. Name it. It validates it and saves it. This takes a little while, so I'm going to pause so that you don't have to stand through this. Oh, nope, never mind, it didn't take that long. Okay, so you can email it, embed it to your own website, or you can make a Wix.com site. I choose make Wix.com site, and I'll tell you why. Use best fit, not true size. True size will make it tiny, and then you'll have this blue background. You can't change the color. I left it blue. Hit next. You can't change this. Title, you don't want this because that's the title that comes up here. I made the mistake of not changing it, so it would say Wix.com, built by Ryan Online, based on blank website. No, don't want that. Let's just make it Wild Ideas. Tags, doesn't matter. It's just for Google. If I'm deleting this website. Then you click Publish. Publishing takes a little while, but in this case, nope, went really fast. And then you can connect to your domain, which costs money, and remove Wix ads, which costs money. Now, the reason why I did that, because right now it's wix.com/Ryan/Ryan/wild-ideas. I use my domain CO, free domains from co.nr. I might make a video about this, but right now I'm just going to show you. I'm going to use my old domain, Apple One or More. I'm going to log in. And now what you do is, what this is, it's free domains, but it actually redirects you. It's a cover-up domain. So right now, it's my new website. Let's change this target URL to http://wix.com/RyanOnline/wild-ideas. Modify. Main page. And log out. Now let's go to appleoneormore.co.nr. And it'll come up, it'll say, see, I changed it to co.nr covers it up to make it whatever you want up here. Welcome. It'll load it, because since it's Flash, it has to load. First time it takes a little slow. Second or third time it goes fast. And here's the website. It's not exactly perfect because I did it in 15 minutes. But, So, that's it, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this. Feedback, all this stuff works. Any questions, comment down there. And that's really it. Make sure to visit my website, ryanonline.co.nr or appleoneormore.co.nr, whichever one works for you. So, bye-bye.